Rolls Royce or Toyota Supra. Or Toyota Supra. So let's go into coding. Your benefits. Customise your car specifically to your needs. So you can do things like activate folding mirrors, change the percentage of the mirror dip, so when you put the car into reverse, the left-hand mirror will tilt automatically and you can change the angle of that. You can change when the fuel light comes on, wiper interval, or how many squirts of washer fluid it does. All kinds of trick stuff like that that makes the car much more personal. So you can set it up exactly how you want. But for this example, we're just going to basically check coding possibilities and hopefully make his car sound like a Rolls Royce. It's created a backup. Warning and menu sounds. I can change it to Mini, BMW i, which is like the electric version, Rolls Royce or Toyota Supra. Or Toyota Supra. But we'll go for Rolls Royce. Code now. Agreed. So that should be done now.
Yeah.
There you go. That's done it, hasn't it?
Yep. It's like a slightly more muted version of the classic BMW bong.
Yeah. Brung brung. So it really is as simple as that. So if you're interested in coding and diags and you want a really easy way to do it, the scanner supports diag codes for all makes and models, but the coding side of it is only BMW Mini, Volkswagen Audi Group and Mercedes.